So you just got the Throne wireless charging pad and you're ready to start seamlessly powering up all your Manscaped devices. But before you kiss old-fashioned wired charging goodbye, let's go over the basics. The Throne wireless charging pad includes the charger itself and a USB-C power cable. First, you'll need to connect the charger to a power supply like an AC wall adapter. The light on the top of the charger will turn solid blue. That means you're ready for charging. To charge your Manscaped trimmer or shaver, simply set the device on top of the charger and let it do its thing. When charging begins, the light will blink blue and your device's battery indicator will show your progress until fully charged. If the light on the charger starts flashing green, that means something's off. Remove your device from the charger, wait a few minutes, and try again. Your wireless charging pad works with all Manscaped tools that are wireless charging compatible, including the Lawnmower 5.0 Ultra, the Lawnmower 4.0 Pro, the Chairman Pro, the Dome Shaver Pro, and the Face Buffer Pro. It also works with most devices that support Qi wireless charging. For cell phone charging, avoid charging with magnetic cases, metal cases, or credit cards attached, as these can interfere with charging. Get the Throne wireless charging pad and compatible devices at manscaped.com.